I'm giving you 7 fruits that will help cleanse your kidneys fast. Now, truth be told, the kidneys are very complex organs. They filter your blood. They help you to maintain normal vitamin D levels. They help to keep you from being anemic. They help with your bone health. The kidneys help to control your blood pressure. The kidneys do the most. And there are some things when it comes to kidney health that you cannot control. For example, if you're born with kidney disease. Nevertheless, there are many things that you can control when it comes to kidney health, such as what you put in your mouth, the foods you eat. You can eat foods that can help to prevent kidney disease. You can eat foods that can help to slow down the progression of your kidney disease. You can eat foods that can help your kidneys to filter better. And so today, let's just keep it simple. I'm giving you 7 fruits that will help to cleanse your kidneys fast. Number 1, blueberries. Oh my gosh, I love blueberries. So blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. They help to reduce oxidative stress and they decrease inflammation in your kidneys, which can help your kidneys to filter better. These blueberries are also good for helping to lower blood pressure naturally. We know that blood pressure being high, hypertension, is a leading cause of kidney disease. The other little known fact about these delicious blue little sweet treats is that blueberries can help to reduce your risk for urinary tract infections, bladder infections. The resins in blueberries help to keep bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract. Number 2, apples. Apples can help to promote your kidney health. So apples, beyond being delicious and tart and just wonderful, have high fiber. We know that having high fiber can help to decrease cholesterol and help to decrease inflammation in your vessels, including your kidney vessels. Apples also have high antioxidants, which helps to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Another good thing about apples is that they're loaded with vitamins and minerals. They're high in vitamin C, and they're also high in potassium. Potassium can help to lower your blood pressure because the more potassium you have in your diet, as long as there's no contraindication, meaning no reason that you cannot have high potassium, when you have potassium in your diet, that helps you to excrete or to urinate out sodium. And we know that the lower the sodium that you have, the lower your blood pressure. And so that's, of course, an important thing, and apples can help. Not to mention, apples are one of these low sodium foods that can promote good blood pressure and, incidentally, promote kidney health. Be sure to watch my video on low sodium foods that can help to improve high blood pressure after you finish watching this video. Number 3, watermelon. Y'all, I love watermelon. I'm sorry, I do. Watermelon, as the name would suggest, the watermelon has a very high water content. And I already mentioned that dehydration or not having enough water can cause kidney problems. And so if you have a very hydrating fruit like watermelon, that's a way to help the kidneys to flush out toxins, and it can help to promote kidney health. So the high water content is one thing that will help watermelon to help to keep your kidneys healthier. The other thing is that watermelon has certain antioxidants like lycopene, which help to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Watermelon also contains certain compounds that can help to relax the blood vessels. And when the blood vessels are relaxed and dilated, that helps the blood pressure to go down. So yes, watermelon can also help to control your blood pressure. So watermelon is another fruit that can help to promote your kidney health, and they can help your kidneys to cleanse better. Here's one thing to note. You want to make sure you consult with your physician, because if you already have kidney disease, then you may not be able to have a lot of watermelon. For example, if you are a patient and you are on dialysis and you don't make much urine, having too much watermelon may actually cause you to have too much fluid in your body or volume overload. So make sure that you consult with your physician before you take in these fruits. Also, if you are a diabetic and you're watching the added sugar or the sugar content, then you may have to avoid some of these fruits as well. So in general, yes, watermelon can help to improve your kidney health and help your kidneys to cleanse better, but make sure you're always consulting with your physician before taking on a bunch of different new fruits in your diet. Number 4, cranberries. Cranberries, that's another fruit that can help promote kidney health, and it's actually fresh cranberries that you want, fresh cranberries. The fresh cranberries have antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Of course, that can help to prevent or slow down the progression of kidney disease. Cranberries can also reduce your risk of urinary tract infections. You know how when you eat a cranberry or when you drink cranberry juice, they have that kind of a gritty feel? Well, the resins in the cranberries help to bind to bacteria and to keep the bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract or of your bladder. So yes, cranberries are good for preventing urinary tract infections. And if you're a person who has excessive urinary tract infections or kidney infections, that can reduce the risk of your kidneys. Another important benefit of cranberries as it pertains to kidney health is that cranberries can help to reduce your risk for kidney stones. They help to decrease the amount of calcium and oxalate in your urine. Be sure to watch my video on the painful truth about kidney stone symptoms after you finish watching this video. Number 5, lemons. Lemons, this fruit can also help your kidneys to cleanse better, can help to promote kidney health. So lemons, they have so many benefits. In fact, I love to start my day with lemon water, just squeezing a whole lemon in a glass of water to get my day going, and I'll tell you why. Lemons contain citric acid or citrate. Citrate can help to reduce your risk for kidney stones, and having kidney stones can cause kidney failure ultimately if you're not careful. So lemons are important in that regard. They also have many vitamins and antioxidants which help to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Another benefit of lemons is that they have high potassium. And again, if you have high potassium in your diet, The more potassium you take in, the more sodium you urinate out, and that can help to lower your blood pressure. Again, consult with your physician and make sure that you're not someone who has to have a potassium restriction. Grapes. Y'all, I just love grapes. They're so sweet and delicious, low in calories. All of these fruits are delicious. And so the fact that they help with your kidney health, just extra benefit. Okay, so grapes. Grapes have a high water content, which again, help you to stay hydrated, help to flush toxins from the kidneys. So that's one way that grapes can help with your kidney health. Also, grapes have antioxidants, and so they help to reduce oxidative stress, decreasing inflammation in your kidneys. Grapes also can have high potassium content, which again, the high potassium in your diet can make you excrete out more sodium, which can help with blood pressure, another benefit for kidney health. Another interesting thing about grapes. Now, if you are a person who already is on dialysis and you're waiting for a kidney transplant, if you don't make any urine at all, then you are a person who will need a fluid restriction. So the opposite of a lot of hydration. But one neat thing about grapes is that if you're trying to keep yourself from drinking too much water because you have to have a fluid restriction on dialysis, if you freeze grapes and kind of chew them and suck on them slowly when you're feeling really, really thirsty, then if you have a water restriction on dialysis, that can help to keep you from having a volume overload. Again, make sure you consult with your renal dietitian, consult with your kidney doctor. But overall, grapes, another fruit that can help to cleanse your kidneys better and can help to promote kidney health. Number 7, pineapple. Now, y'all know pineapples, so delicious, so sweet, low in calories, wonderful, wonderful. But what you may not know is that pineapples contain an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to decrease inflammation in the kidneys and to promote kidney health. Pineapples are also loaded with vitamin C, something else that can help to promote kidney health. And pineapples have a high potassium content, which can help to lower the sodium in your body to lower blood pressure. Consult with your physician, again, if you're diabetic or if you're someone who has to have a potassium restriction. How do you know if you need to have a potassium restriction? If you have end-stage kidney disease and you're already on dialysis, you may have to restrict potassium. Or if you're taking certain medications that have a side effect of giving you a high potassium, like spironolactone, or things like ramipril, lisinopril, ACE inhibitors, or things like losartan, angiotensin receptor blockers. Certain medications have a side effect of giving you high potassium levels. If you're taking one, you may not need to have a fruit that has high potassium. Again, always consult with your physician. I can't stress that enough. But in general, pineapple, in addition to being completely delicious, another fruit that can help to cleanse your kidneys. So there you have it. We took a complex topic like kidney health, and today we made it easy. I gave you 7 fruits that can help your kidneys to cleanse better. Again, consult with your physician, consult with your dietitian to find out which fruits are safe for you to incorporate in your diet. And if these are safe, you can put them in smoothies, you can have them for snacks, you can make juices out of them, you can incorporate these foods to help to promote your kidney health. If you found this video to be helpful and informative, please be sure to like it and to share it with the people you care about.